Hi there, and welcome to Info World. Today's video is about the 9 best camera drones that a professional photographer must use. Top of the list is DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic is a series of teleoperated compact quadcopter drones for personal and commercial aerial photography and videography use, released by the Chinese technology company DJI. DJI Mavic drones are used in 2023 by Ukrainian forces in the fighting following the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. Although China forbids export of the drones for non-civilian purposes, the Mini 3 Pro can fly for 47 minutes with a 3850 mAh battery pack. It can withstand level 5 wind. Its 12-megapixel camera gives 4K resolution. On number 2 is DJI Air 2S. The Air 2S features a 1-inch CMOS camera capable of shooting 20-megapixel JPEG and RAW photos, and up to 10-bit 5.4K video at a maximum frame of 30 FPS as well as 4K video at a maximum frame rate of 60 FPS. The drone also features a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and allows up to 12 km 1080p resolution transmission with OcuSync 3. Upgraded HDR capabilities are also included, featuring 12.6 exposure stops for photos. Coming up next is Skydio 2 Plus. Skydio is an American manufacturer of drones headquartered in San Mateo, California. In March 2021, the company became a unicorn, becoming the first U.S. drone manufacturer to exceed $1 billion in value. It has a 12-megapixel camera with a 4K 60 FPS resolution, and its range extends to 6 kilometers with controller. It has a speed of 36 miles per hour. Coming up is DJI Mini 2. DJI Mini 2, released November 2020, improves upon the Mavic Mini with longer flight time of 31 minutes and the ability to record 4K footage. Weighing in at 249 grams, the Mini 2 can withstand level 5 winds. It has 5 quick-shot modes, 3 panorama modes, HD 2.7K and 4K video. It also has the ability to take raw 12-megapixel photos. The DJI Mini 2 also uses OcuSync 2.0, giving it a max transmission range of 10 kilometers. DJI released the Mini 2C on February 9, 2023. It is basically a Mini 2 with a downgraded camera from 4K to a 2.7K. Everything else is basically similar to a Mini 2. On number 5 is Autel Evo Nano Plus. Autel has chosen to offer the Nano in 2 versions, a cheaper one with a 12.7mm sensor and the Nano Plus with 19.8mm. You'll pay for the larger sensor but also get 48-megapixel images. Its battery life can extend for 28 minutes with a max range of 10 kilometers. On number 6 is DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3, released on the 5th of November 2021, has a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad L2D20C camera and includes Hasselblad's natural color solution technology. The camera has 12.8 stops of dynamic range and shoots up to 5.1K video. Its range can extend up to 12 kilometers with flight endurance of 41 minutes. Coming up next is DJI Mavic Mini C. DJI announced the Mavic Mini on October 30, 2019 as a replacement for the now discontinued DJI Spark and positioning it as a beginner camera drone. Its camera is on a 3-axis gimbal and features a 12-megapixel sensor capable of 2.7K video at 30 FPS. It has 30 minutes flight time and a 4 kilometers transmission range as it uses enhanced Wi-Fi like the DJI Mavic Mini. Coming up is Autel Evo. There is a 3.3 inches OLED screen in the remote, meaning you can fly without connecting the phone at all. Another big plus is that the drone has omnidirectional collision sensors, which it uses in a normal fight. It uses the same Sony IMX 586 half-inch imaging chip as featured in the Mavic Air 2, while the 6K Pro sports using an IMX 383 1-inch sensor. Having a 48-megapixel camera, it can stay in the air for an impressive 40 minutes with its range extending to 9 kilometers. Last on this list is Mavic Air 2. DJI released the new Air series member known as Air 2 on April 27, 2020. Air 2 has a half-inch CMOS camera, 34 minutes flight time per battery, can travel up to 68.4 kilometers per hour. The Mavic Air 2 upgrades to OcuSync 2.0, a dedicated radio system that runs in the 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz ranges. It offers a better range in terms of filming. Air 2 supports RAW format, 48-megapixel mode, HDR video at 4K 60 FPS, and hyperlapse 240 FPS slow-motion mode. Its flight time is 34 minutes, all because of its 350 mAh battery. You can buy yourself a drone by the links in description. If you appreciate the video, subscribe the channel and leave a comment below as a suggestion for me to make more better videos.